What's up everyone, my name is Kay, and yes, I get it. I know a lot of people want to look good, having some good chest, arms and back. I got you all covered. With my personal tips, this is going to help you to look muscular without having to go to the gym. If that sounds interesting, then let's hop right into it. So the first thing you want to do is by showing the exposure of your triceps. A lot of people think that biceps is the biggest part of your arms, and really it's actually your triceps. So what you want to do is by rolling up your sleeves, that gives that illusional effect that people will think that your arms is quite big. If you don't like rolling up your sleeves, then that's perfectly fine. Just make sure you find a perfect fitted t-shirt that will fit you properly. There's going to be a link down below the description where it's going to take you to Amazon where you can find yourself a nice fitted t-shirt. So check it out. Another thing as well to look muscular is that you want to make sure you avoid these three things: a hoodie, a denim and a bomber jacket. The reason why is because it's puffy, thick and very baggy. Trust me, they are one of my favourite things to wear. But if your goal is to try to look muscular, then I suggest you should try and avoid them since it has its own shape. Having different colours such as jumpers or t-shirt will have a different effect based on how you look. For example, if you have a full out black outfit, it's going to make you more thinner but taller. As for having a white outfit, it's going to have the opposite effect. But it's good in both ways, so use that as your advantage. The next one is to make sure you drink plenty of water. As you may know that our muscles contain 70% of water. If you're not going to drink enough water, then your muscles are going to look small and flat, since it's going to be dehydrating. Think of it this way. Imagine your muscles is a balloon which requires air, right? It's going to be exactly the same thing with muscles which requires water, and it's just going to look deflated if you don't drink enough water. So what I recommend you should do is at least drink 7 glasses of water per day. The last one, which is actually one of the most important one, is having a good posture. Now this is very important to know that having a bad posture is very bad for you, especially if you're working out at the gym. As for good posture, it has a lot of benefits, like keeping your bones and your joints in the correct alignment, which allows your muscles to be used properly. It also contributes a good appearance, which allows you to make you feel and look better instantly. Now this is pretty much related to everybody else, including myself as well, for those that are always on their phones and computers. But while you're on your phone, you just want to make sure you maintain that good posture of yours. Otherwise, if your chest is not out and your shoulders not engaged with the traps, including your head not held up high, it's not going to look good for you. So having good posture does make you look muscular. So that's it everybody. These are my personal tips on how to look muscular without having to go to the gym. If you're new here, then consider subscribing, because on this channel I give out my personal tips based on fitness, fashion and life. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel as well. So that's it for me for today, and I'll see you guys next time.